Representative Ilhan Omar said Wednesday the Republican Party has been destroyed and overrun by cowards and opportunists. During an appearance on MSNBC's All In with Chris Hayes, the Minnesota Democrat addressed efforts by Republicans to relitigate anti-Semitic statements she's made in the past and has apologized for after Republican Representative Marjorie Taylor Greene sparked a backlash for resurfaced anti-Semitic comments in recent days. Representative Greene on Wednesday issued a now-deleted tweet featuring a picture of Ilhan Omar and asking her supporters for more money to fight Democrats from trying to get her removed from Congress. Ilhan Omar lamented that, sadly, this is the Republican playbook. She said, "We saw it with Donald Trump that any time they are faced with consequences for their actions to undermine our democracy, they blame Muslims, they blame immigrants, they blame black people, they blame women. I just happen to embody all of these identities." She continued, "I just want to make sure, Chris, that we are clear on this. This is not about me, and it should not be about me. This is about a member of the Republican caucus who has repeatedly incited violence, and Republicans can't just wave a magic wand and attack the black congresswoman." Ilhan Omar said Republicans like Ms. Greene are creating a toxic work environment in Congress. She said, "The Republicans truly have lost their way. Their party is destroyed. Their base now is conspiracy theorists. It's cowards, it's opportunists, it's grifters, and sadly they're becoming the Looney Tunes. These are people who we can't take serious. They're not here to do the people's business. They are here to just be obstructionists and make a mockery of not just our government but our country." The Supreme Court on Wednesday canceled 2 upcoming hearings on the border wall and another President Trump administration immigration policy, granting the Biden team's request for the matters to be shelved for now. At issue were the funding the last administration used to construct some of the wall, and the so-called Remain in Mexico policy that allowed border agents to push some illegal immigrants back into Mexico to wait for their immigration hearings in the United States. Justice Department lawyers had told the justices that Joe Biden has already canceled the Defense Department money that was at issue in the wall case, and the new administration is reviewing the Mexico policy. The court granted the requests in a brief order Wednesday. The motions to hold further briefing in abeyance and to remove the cases from the February 2021 argument calendar are granted. In both instances, President Trump team had lost in the lower courts but judges had allowed the policies to remain active while the cases were being argued through appeals. Joe Biden said in a new interview that no members of his family or extended family will get a White House office or be involved in government business. Biden told People magazine in an interview published Wednesday, "We're going to run this like the Obama-Biden administration. No one in our family and extended family is going to be involved in any government undertaking or foreign policy. And nobody has an office in this place." Joe Biden's son came under scrutiny during the 2020 campaign over high-flying overseas business dealings that took place while his father was vice president. Federal prosecutors in Delaware are investigating Hunter Biden's taxes. Hunter Biden and Joe Biden have expressed confidence that the younger Mr. Biden didn't do anything wrong. There had been some chatter that Valerie Biden Owens, the president's sister and a top confidant, might be getting an office in the West Wing, but the White House had previously ruled that out.